Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by mapping the JEE organic syllabus into core areas: structure, stereochemistry, reaction mechanisms, functional group transformations, and spectroscopy. Spend roughly 2 hours daily on foundational theory and 1 hour on problem practice, adjusting to weak areas. Focus study sessions on understanding electron flow and mechanism patterns. Treat mechanisms as the backbone that connects reactions. Build a one-page summary per topic that lists key reagents, conditions, and typical outcomes to review before practice and exams for quick recall. Group reactions by mechanism type: nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic addition, elimination, rearrangement, and learn their characteristic intermediates. Create small reagent cards that state reagent, typical conditions, and expected product types. Review these cards daily and before problem sets. Draw reaction maps that connect starting materials to likely products using 2 to 4 step sequences. This improves retrosynthetic thinking. When you see a new reaction, ask, what is the electron donor, electron sink, and the driving force? That habit builds intuition and saves time in exams. Adopt a disciplined practice schedule. Solve about 50 mixed organic problems per week and include timed 90-minute sessions to build accuracy and speed. Schedule 3 full revisions, ideally at 7 days, 21 days, and 45 days before exams, focusing each round on weaker reaction families and problem types. Regularly attempt past JEE papers and full-length simulated tests under exam conditions to practice time management and identify recurring question patterns. End each study week by documenting one conceptual gap and a corrective action for the next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.